Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, my name is Amelia Petriana. I'm class management 24A in PM 24411015. Here, I will explain about microeconomics, economic policy and economic prescription. Economic policy and economic prescription are two internet concepts that play a crucial role in shaping the financial landscape of national economic policy. Refers to the action and decisions made by government to influence economic documents, while economic prescription consumes in the public. Businesses and markets interpret and raise to these policies. Understanding the relationship between these two elements is essential for market economics and quasi-legal. This complex interplay between policy and practitioner and far-reaching implications affecting everything from consumer spending habits to different direction and overall economic growth. As we delve deeper in the topic, we will explore the various phases of economic policies, the factors that influence it, and on how public participation can both help separate by these places. What is economic policy? 1. Definition. Economic policies refers to the set of actions, decisions, and strategies implemented by governments and central banks to economic conditions. These policies seem to achieve effective economic objectives such as promoting growth, controlling inflation, reducing unemployment, and maintaining financial stability. 2. Key objectives. The primary goals of economic policy typically include fostering stable economic growth, ensuring price stability, promoting full employment, and maintaining a balanced payment. Policymakers use various tools and instrumental to achieve these objectives, often balancing short-term needs with long-term sustainability. 3. Policy instruments. Economic policy encompasses a wide range of instruments, including monetary policies managed by central banks, fiscal policy implemented by government, trade policy, and regulation measures. Both are used in combination to start the economy towards desired economic and respond to economic challenge. Factor influencing economic policies. 1. Economic conditions. Current economics indicators as GDP growth, inflation rates, and unemployment levels play a critical role in shaping policy decisions. Policymakers must respond to both political policies and structural changes in the economy. 2. Political landscape. The prevalent political ideology, election cycles, and public opinion significantly influence economics. Policy causes different political parties may prioritize different economic goals, leading to shift in policy focus over time. 3. Global economic environment. International economic conditions, trade relationship, and global financial market impact downplay policy decisions. Policy market must consider how higher action will affect and effectively by the global economic landscape. 4. Technology advancements. Rapid technology change in industry and labor markets, requiring policymakers to adapt their strategies to support innovation while addressing potential negative impacts on employment and inequality. Type economic policies. Monetary policies implemented by central banks. Monetary policies involve managing money supply and interest rates to inflation, economic growth, and employment. Tools include setting key interest rates, adjusting reserve requirements, and conducting open market operations. Fiscal policy. Fiscal policy refers to government spending and taxation decisions is aimed to stimulate or cool down the economy by adjusting government expenditure and tax rates. This is called intensive spending, social programs, and tax intensive or discrimination. supply-side policies. These policies focus on scaling the productive capacity of the economy. They may include deregulation, privatization, decreasing auto and growth investment and work, and policies to improve labor market reliability and worker skills. Monetary policy and its impact. Interest rate adjustments. Central banks use interest rate change to influence borrowing cost, spending, and implement lower rates and stimulate the economic activity. While higher rates can help control inflation and cool down operating economy. Forward guidance. Central bank provide information about their future policy intended to influence market expansion behavior. This combination strategy can help stabilize markets with economic decisions. Quantitative easing. In times of economic stress, central banks may implement quantitative easing by processing government security or their financial assets to inject money into economy and lower long-term interest rates. Impact on exchange rates. Monetary policy decisions can significantly affect currency exchange rates, influencing international credit transactions and capital flows between currencies. Next, fiscal policy and its effects. Government spending. Government expanded and stimulated economic growth by boosting aggregate demand. This can include investment in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and other public service. However, excessive spending may lead to budget deficits and potential long-term economic challenges. Taxation, tax policy, and can influence consumer behavior, business investment, and income distribution. Lower tax may encourage disposable income and stimulate spending, while higher taxes can help reduce budget deficits but may slow economic growth. Autonomic stabilizers. Certain fiscal policies such as progressive taxation and permanent benefits as affection of supervisor during economic downturns. Yes, mechanisms help cushion the impact of pressure without triggering direct government intervention. Multiplier effect. Fiscal policy can have a multiplier effect on the economy, where intel government spending or tax cuts lead to larger overall economic impact through increases in consumption and investment calculus. The role of government in economic policies. 1. Balancing act. Governments must balance various economic objectives, often facing trade-off between short-term gains and long-term stability. This involves calculating the impact of policy decisions on different spheres of the economic and socially. 2. Regulating framework. Establishing and improving regulation is a crucial government role in economic policy. This includes financial regulation, labor laws, and environmental standards and other measures to ensure fair competition and market stability. Internal cooperation. Government engage in international economic cooperation through organizations like the IMF, World Bank, and WTO. This collaboration helps address global economic challenges and promote stability in the global economy. Economy research. Governments fund a good economic research into inflation decisions. This includes gathering and analyzing economy data, forecasting future trends, and evaluating the potential effects of different policies opinions. Next, how economic preparation shapes policy decisions. 1. Public opinion. Public perception of economic conditions can significantly influence policy decisions. Policymakers often respond to public sentiment on issues like employment, inflation, and income inequality, especially in dramatic societies where electoral pressure plays a role. 2. Market sentiment. Financial market reactions to economic data and analysis on the messages can shape policy decisions. Policymakers must consider how their action will be perceived by investors and market authorities and can have a real economic consequences. 3. Media influences. Media cover economic issues that shape public perception on currency, policy decisions, the way economic data and policies are reported, and discussed in the media can influence both public opinion and lawmaker priorities. For expert analysis, an economist expert interpretation and can play a critical role in shaping both public opinion and policy decisions. Policymakers often rely on expert analysis to inform their understanding of computer economic issues and potential policy participants. Challenge in aligning policies and perspectives. 1. Timeline. Economic policies often take time to show results, while public participation demands immediate reformation. This disconnect can lead to premature judgments and policies ourselves before the full effects are realized. 2. Complexity versus simplicity. Economic policies are often complex, addressing multi-part international issues. How prefer public participation and to prefer simple, easily understandable solutions. This can lead to affirmation of policies, diabetes, and misconceptions about policy impacts. 3. Short-term versus long-term focus. While many economic policies aim for long-term, 3. Short-term versus long-term focus. While many economic policies aim for long-term stability and growth, public participation often because on short-term impacts. This can create pressure for policymakers to prioritize immediate relief over sustainable long-term solutions. This can create pressure for policymakers to prioritize immediate relief for sustainable long-term solutions. For disparate effects, economic policies often have varying impacts on different segments of society. Managing public participation becomes challenging when policies create clear winners and losers. Even if they benefit the economic as well, managing public participation becomes challenging when policies create clear winners and losers, even if they benefit the economy as well. Okay, that's all my explanation. If I say something wrong, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.